You might already know that a spread operator in JavaScript is used to unpack a box, for example, to unpack an array. The REST operator, on the other hand, is used to build a smaller box and pack items into it. In this video, you will explore what a REST operator is and how to use it. To illustrate how a REST operator can be useful, consider a travel itinerary. I've realized that there are many things I'd love to see while in Rome during my vacation. Unfortunately, I'm pressed for time, and there's no way to really enjoy all of the attractions, even if I rush to see them all. Let's explore how to solve this itinerary issue. In this case, I can create an array of 7 places that I would like to visit on my holiday to Rome. So I type const top7 to create the array, and I list the 7 places I would like to go within square brackets, with each item in double quotes and separated by a comma. The Colosseum, the Roman Forum, the Vatican, Trevi Fountain, the Pantheon, Piazza Venezia, and the Palatine Hill. To solve the problem, I decide to organize my list in such a way that I have my top 3 attractions and prepare another list for a second visit. To do this, I use the REST operator and a technique known as destructuring. In this destructuring syntax, I simply specify what I want to get out of the top 7 array, in this case, the first 3 items. So, I start by typing const, open and close square bracket, equal sign, top7. Then I create 3 variables, first, second, and third, plus another variable to hold the rest of the list, named second visit. To do this, I type const first, second, third, and then 3 dots and a new variable, second visit, within square brackets, then equals top7 semicolon. With this syntax, I extracted the contents of the top 7 array into 4 variables. The variable first with the value of the Colosseum, the variable second with the value of the Roman Forum, the variable third with the value of the Vatican, and then I include the variable second visit. That is a subarray of the rest of the items in the original top 7 array. If I inspect second visit, an array of the 4 remaining attractions, Trevi Fountain, the Pantheon, Piazza Venezia, and the Palatine Hill, are all saved as string primitives. The REST operator, therefore, gives us what is left over of the source array as a separate subarray. The REST operator is also useful in functions too. In fact, I can use a REST parameter to quickly multiply values. I create a function to add the tax rate to prices. I name it add tax to prices and give it 2 parameters, the tax rate and the REST operator with the items bought. The function returns each item with the tax rate. In the add to tax prices parameters, the REST parameter gives me an array, so I can use array methods on items bought using the map method. It's important to know that the REST parameter must be the last parameter in the function definition. This means that adding any other parameter to my add tax to prices function after the REST operator and the items bought would result in an error. In this video, you learned how to use the REST operator, which groups the remaining parameters in a list within a standard JavaScript array. Well done with completing this video on the REST operator.